factory outlet for the tea. Beautiful though. Beautiful. Look at that hot tea. Bruh, hot tea. Oh, they have a factory outlet. Oh man, look at the whole space. Man, looks beautiful. If I get a good spot though, people are stopping here and then taking photos. Yeah, let me do that also. Man, look at that. Look. Coffee and teas.